our honored guest, Supervisor Ma'am Susan M. Solidarta, School Principal 3, Sir Alfred C. Descaviar, Municipal Mayor Honorable Cesar Soriano, and Michael Dia E. Reyes. School heads of different schools, dedicated teachers of Siocon Central School, proud parents, visitors, General PTA President, Dean's Visitation, and most importantly, the graduates. Good afternoon. My name is Prince Apollo T. Buban, and I'm so honored to stand here in front of you this very special day. Wow! We are not just celebrating the end of elementary school. We are celebrating how much we have grown. We made it through graduation, from learning our ABCs to solving big math problems. We've come such a long way. I think we deserve a big round of applause. Not just for finishing elementary school, but for growing up together. It feels like just yesterday, we were learning how to read simple words, count numbers, and make new friends. And now, here we are, standing proudly as graduates. Karong adlaw, dili lang ni simpleng graduation, kundi usa kini ka mahinungdanong higayon sa among kinabuhi isip nga grade 6. This day is a reminder that all our hard work, sacrifices, and prayers have brought us here. Patunay ito na ang lahat ng aming pagod, pagsisikap, at pagtitiis ay may magandang bunga. As we say goodbye to our elementary years, we also say thank you to the people who became part of our journey. Dahan tayo kong pasalamat sa tanan na mitabang o misuporta nako aron makaabot ko ng inyong adlaw. I would like to take this moment to speak from my heart about someone very special to me. My number one supporter, my father, who passed away just this school year. Lusod kaayo para nako ang pagkawala sa akong amahan karong tuiga. His passing brought pain that words cannot fully explain. But even though he is no longer feeling physically, I know that his love, lessons, and memories will stay in my heart forever. And I know how much he was looking forward to this moment. He was so excited for this day to come. It was his dream to walk with me as I reached this milestone. My father taught me so many things in life. Siya ang nagsudlo nako sa daghang butang, sa paglahutay, sa pagpangitama, o sa pagtuo sa akong kaulayuan. He also taught me how to play chess. And through that game, he taught me valuable lessons about life. In chess, every move matters. You must be patient, wise, and brave. Sometimes you lose a piece. Sometimes you make mistakes. But you keep going and think of a better move. Sama sa kinabuhi, dili man pero sayon. Pero kinahanglan gihapon mo padayon. Itinuro po sa akin ang tatay ko na sa bawat laban sa buhay, kailangan maging matatag, matalino, at marunong bumangon. Because of him, I learned that challenges are not meant to stop us, but to make us stronger. He was one of my greatest teachers in life. Because of him, I developed a deep love for mathematics. He taught me that every problem has a solution if you just look at the board the right way. I remember before every resolution day, my father would escape for a while from his duties just to attend my events. To my papa, I am finishing this journey for both of us. Your love is the strength that keeps me standing, and I promise to keep making you proud in everything I do. Papa, kung asa ka man karon, daghang salamat sa tanan. Thank you for everything you taught me. Thank you for your love, your guidance, and for believing in me. Hindi man po kita kasama ngayon sa araw na ito, pero alam kong proud kayo sa akin. This achievement is for you, Papa. I miss you and I love you very, Papa. And of course, I want to give my special thanks to my mother and sister. Sa akong mama, daghang kaayong salamat. Thank you for your endless love, sacrifices, patience, strength, and especially the yaw-yaw every day. You became my comfort, my supporter, and my inspiration. Sa lahat ng pag-aalaga, pag-intindi, at pagsakripisyo mo para sa akin, maraming salamat po. You stayed strong for me, especially during the hardest times. Ikaw ang akong kusog o inspirasyon sa matag adlaw. I may not always say it, but I am deeply grateful for everything you do. Ma, this success is also yours. To my family and relatives, thank you for being my village. You showed me that even when life is hard, we are never alone. To our dear teachers, daghang salamat sa inyong pagpangga, pagdudlo, o pagpailog. Thank you for sharing your knowledge and for helping us become better students and better people. Hindi lang po lessons ang ibinigay niyo sa amin, kundi pati values at inspirasyon na dadalhin namin habang buhay. Dear teachers, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for being our candles that light the way. You didn't just teach us facts and lessons from books, but you molded us, guided us, corrected us, and inspired us to aim higher. Your patience and dedication helped us grow not only as students, but as a better person, and pushed us to achieve excellence. To our parents and families, thank you for being our source of strength. Kamo ang among kusog o inspirasyon sa matag adlaw. Without your support, we would not be standing here today. This farewell is not the end. Dili kini katapusan, kundi sinagdagan sa bagong panahon. Hindi ito paalam sa pangarap, kundi simula ng mas malaking pang tagumpay. Let us continue to dream big, work hard, and make our parents and teachers proud. To my fellow graduates, if there is one thing I have learned this year, it is to cherish the people who love and care for us. Nalampasan nato ang usa ka importante nga bahin sa atong kinabuhi. We may have faced struggles, fears, and sadness, but here we are, stronger, wiser, and ready for the next chapter. Sa pagtungtong nato sa mas taas na level sa atong pag-eskwela, dadon nato ang mga leksyon, handumanan, o mga pangandoy nga atong natunaan dinhi sa Siocon Central School. Mabuhay ang Siocon Central School! Let us continue to dream big, work hard, and make our parents and teachers proud. Congratulations, class of 2026. Our next move is waiting, and I know we are ready. To my papa, checkmate, I did it. This is for you.
Thank you for that touchy and courageous farewell address, Apollo. Today,